Manual door opening. Here, two operators are required. The first one unlocks the cargo door in the same manner as for normal operation. The second operator opens the yellow ground service access panel. Unlock the hand pump control handle quick locking fasteners. Pull out the hand pump control handle and set it in the operating mode. Install the hand pump control handle on its pump. The first operator must hold the selector in the open position. Then the second operator operates the hand pump and the door opens. When the green indicator light comes on, the first operator releases the control selector. Manual door closing. Two operators are required for this operation. The first will set the control selector to its close position and hold it. The other then operates the hand pump. When the door is engaged in its door frame, return the hand pump control lever to its stowage position. Lock it and close the access control panel. The first operator closes the access panel and sets the door handle to its locked position and checks that the locking indicators are green.